Welcome to our video on how to enable First Stories notifications from everyone on Instagram using your PC, thanks to a new update. Let's jump right into it. First, start by opening your Instagram account on your PC. Log in if you haven't done so already. Once you're in, you'll be ready to make some adjustments to your notification settings. Next, look for the More icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or an ellipsis. Click on it to reveal a menu that will help you access the settings you need. After that, select Settings from the menu that pops up. In the Settings layout, you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in is Notifications. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Notifications section, you'll see various options related to how you receive alerts on Instagram. Click on Push Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Now, here's the important part for enabling those First Stories notifications. Look for the section titled Comments and Likes. Under that, you'll find different settings related to notifications. Simply select From Everyone. This will ensure that you receive notifications for everyone's stories, not just those from accounts you frequently interact with. And that's it. You've successfully enabled First Stories notifications from everyone on Instagram on your PC. Enjoy staying updated with all the latest stories and interactions in your feed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy Instagramming!